special about this conference? Can any one of you share with me one thing that you think that you can see the benefits in this conference? Anyone on the floor?
Business matching.
International.
Business matching, international. Listen.
Yeah, free advertisement to international markets.
Yes, that's right. Okay. A lot of people, especially BNI members, they do not see the potential of KL10. Okay. I'm not here as a marketing agent for BNI to market KL10 here. Okay. I'm here as a member as you, who have went to KL08 in 2008 and find it very successful, and it helped me to grow my business, not only locally but internationally. Okay, because of KL08, during the KL08, I managed to create wide visibility for myself. Okay, for my own business, I get a connection to BNI Thailand, to BNI Hong Kong, to BNI Singapore. Okay, and recently I also get a connection to BNI Vietnam as well. Okay. And a lot of members, they will say that my business is local, so why should I attend an international conference? Okay, put it this way, if people don't even know that you exist in BNI, do you think that they are going to give you business? Yes or no? No, right? If let's say Maxine did not meet up with Chris, do you think that she's going to get a referrals? When my florist is in overseas in my chapter? Okay, if today we are not here, Synergy members who are not here, do you think some of our member services, we are going to get the referrals from our chapter as well? No. Very simple thing. You can be one of the best expert in your expertise, but if people do not even know that you exist within the BNI, you are not going to get any business. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
Okay? So by attending the BNI conference is to create a visibility for yourself. To let people know that your profession that you are doing, that you are in BNI. When your chapter do not have this profession, or when we need to work together as a business alliances to tender or to work in certain project, that's where we work as a team to go in, the whole group of BNI. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
When I was in BNI Thailand, when I was in Bangkok for the last 6 months last year, okay, I managed to generate a lot of referrals for BNI Thailand. The number one reason why is if the business that I get from my customer, they need to do renovation or whatever works that I need to get, why I should give out to other people and not BNI? You see? So the philosophy that we practice is whatever business that we can give to other people, we give it to our members. That is the number one priority. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
If we don't have the profession in our chapters, who are the second option? Other chapters, right? So the same thing happened. If nobody knows about you in BNI, you are not going to get any business. You see? And a lot of people that think that overseas people, let's say BNI Hong Kong coming here, okay, I'm not going to Hong Kong, my business is not going to expand to Hong Kong. But do you think that they do not know anyone here in Malaysia? You see? I managed to get a contact from BNI Hong Kong for a connection in Malaysia. I went to Thailand, I get a contact to Singapore. I went to Singapore, I get a BNI Singapore contact to Vietnam. You see? You don't even get not only getting the local connection, you can get overseas connection with BNI members from other countries as well. Okay? So one of the key factors that we have in BNI, the key elements for this coming KL10 is the business matching. Business matching play a very, very important part. Okay? A lot of time when you go for a networking session, you go there and network, collect all the name cards, what do you get? Nothing. Okay? So we create the space, we create the platform for you to network. Not only that, for you to be well prepared, we are going to have a KL10 workshop tomorrow at WIM from 11 to 1 o'clock. There are going to be 2 sessions. One is on the 27th and one is on next Friday. Okay? Those of you who have registered for KL10, please attend the workshop because we are going to share with you what are the things you need to prepare. We want you to be prepared well before you attend the conference. We do not want sotong to walk into the conference hall. Okay? Go in, blah, blah, don't know what to do, come back, get nothing. Okay? We want everyone to be ready and charged into the conference hall. And then you can get your business referral. Okay? So those of you who have not registered for the KL10 conference, you can also attend the workshop tomorrow to find out more about that and make your decision to be there. Okay? A lot of times your LT, your directors or the BNI platform try to help you to grow your business. But a lot of time members do not get the business and they find 1001 reason to blame whoever there is. This is human nature. But they do not look at themselves whether is it their own problem or whose problem is that. You agree with me?
Yes.
This does not only happen in BNI Malaysia. happens in any business, in any country, in any BNI, in any country. So if you do not want to take action for yourself, nobody can help you. So as a members in BNI who have gone through the experience of KL08, I strongly urge all of you to participate in KL10. Okay, I'll pass the floor back to Marissa. Thank you very much.